Hello all! Today I am making peppermint candy soap and telling you a story from my college days. Welcome back, friends. This is Lori from LauriLin Designs. My passion is making pretty cold process soap. Today's soap is all about the peppermint candy at Christmas time. The pour is loosely based on the Tall and Skinny Shimmy from the Soap Challenge Club. The colors, you've guessed them, green, red, and white. The scent is a fragrance oil and essential oil blend from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and I think it smells really close to a peppermint stick, almost Altoid scent. Not too sweet. Perfect. When I think of candy canes, I remember a particular roommate I had in college. I didn't live in a traditional dorm because my school didn't have them. Instead, we had a little apartment complex right next to the school where the students lived. My apartment had 2 bedrooms with 5 girls living in it. It was fun, but it was also a lot of bodies in one little space. It was nearing Christmas time, and one of my roommates put up a string of Christmas lights in the living room and hooked candy canes on it. It was cute. But those candies sure were tempting. Every day I would look at those candy canes and think, oh, a little bit of sugar would be just so good right now as I study. She won't miss one. And sure enough, she didn't miss one. So I thought I could eat another. About 3 candy canes later, she started to notice something was amiss. She came up to me, all in fun, of course, and told me that she had been counting the candy canes and she knew some were missing. Do you know anything about this, Lori? Obviously, it was me. It wasn't really a secret. Now, being responsible and caught, it was right for me to replace the candy canes. But, being a freshman, I didn't have a car to drive to the store. The closest and most expensive grocery store in our small town was almost 2 miles away from campus. I took an afternoon and walked there. Surely, they would have a box of candy canes. I would buy enough to replace what I ate, plus give me snacks for the days ahead. When I got there, the store didn't have candy canes. What on earth? I asked an employee. He pointed me to the checkout line where there was a bucket of jumbo-sized candy canes. Being my only option, I bought only the replacements I needed and brought them home. No extras to eat. I hung them up on the Christmas light string, and they were heavy, and so it kind of threw off the aesthetic. But there they were. Next time my roommate came home, I asked her to count the candy canes. She couldn't deny the correct number now. We had a good laugh. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Remember, great soap doesn't have to be boring. See you next Sunday.